Hey guys, welcome to the 2022 Summer Shred Challenge. This is episode 1, a full body workout. You don't need any equipment and I've included no jumping low impact variations throughout the whole program. You can find the full 3-week schedule on my website. Make sure you check it out as it's completely free with features like theme challenges, fitness journals, free recipes and more. So smash that like button for me and share this video with your friends so you can do this challenge together, and let's get into the workout. We've got 22 exercises across 3 sets in this full body workout, 30 to 40 seconds on and 5 to 30 seconds rest in between. I hope you've done your warm up. Let's get started with squat switch. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, squat down low and engage your core and glutes. Then jump up and twist your hips to one side, and then repeat on the other side too. Great work! Short 5 seconds rest now, and shuffle reach is next. Shuffle to one side and reach the floor with one hand and then to the other side. Try to speed it up a little to increase your heart rate. Ten seconds rest now, and we've got lateral jump lunge. Take one step to the right and lunge down. Make sure your back is straight and your core is engaged, then jump back to the middle, then do a lunge on the other side. For low impact, just do lateral lunges without jumps. Rest up now guys, and lunge cross-body crunches are next. Take one step back and lunge down. Then raise your knee and reach the opposite elbow. Make sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes. Short rest now, and we'll swap over to the other leg. Just 2 more exercises after this and we'll be done with set 1. Nice work guys, 10 seconds rest now, and we've got butt kicks. Kick your leg up towards your butt one at a time. You can speed up the pace or take it slow if you don't want to jump. Alright, short rest here, and we're working your quads and glutes with squat jump variation. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart,
brace your core and squat down. Then as you come up, jump up high and make sure you land softly. Then take a step outwards, back in, and then repeat. And that's set 1. 30 seconds rest now. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest. It's totally okay to take a longer break. Time to get back into it. Let's start set 2 now with pulsing lunge jump. Bring one leg behind and lunge and pulse once, and then jump and swap to the other side and repeat. Do it slow and controlled as you don't want to injure your knees. For low impact, just do lunges without jumps. Short rest now, and we've got scissors. Make sure you keep your back straight as you do this. For low impact, just take it slow and easy. It's fine to go at your own pace and you get stronger over time. Yeah, doing great guys, just a couple more and we'll rest again. Single leg deadlift jump is next. Lift one leg behind you as you hinge on your hips, bending forward. Make sure your back is straight and your core is engaged. Your head to the lifted leg should form a straight line. Then get back to the original position and jump up. For low impact, just leave out the jumps. It's totally fine to take it easy if you can't do jumping exercises just yet. Short rest now and we'll work on the other leg. Just 3 more exercises to go after this one. We're almost at the halfway mark, guys. Ten seconds rest now, catch your breath and get ready to go all out for some tuck jumps, high knees. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then get into a quarter squat position, then jump up high, bringing your knees up to your hips level. Make sure you land softly and then do 4 high knees and repeat. For low impact, we're just gonna do some slow high knees. Nice work guys, catch your breath and we've got butt kicks. Keep going guys, we're almost done with set 2. Ten seconds rest now, and the final exercise for this set is squat slam. Do a regular squat, but as you squat down, try to imagine that you're trying to slam a ball down. Keep your arms straight and use some force.
I'm not broken.
Great work everyone, that's 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest. Just don't give up, the last set is easier than the previous 2. Alright, time to smash the remainder of the workout guys. Let's get back into it with scissors. Just follow the low impact. If you're still catching your breath, just don't give up and make sure you complete the workout. Short rest now and lateral jump tap is next. Jump to one side and try to reach the floor with one hand, keeping your back as straight as possible. Rest up guys while working your abs next with some standing crunches. Bring one knee across to the other side as you crunch. Make sure you breathe and work that core. And now we are going to move on to shuffle crunches. Shuffle to one side and then bring one leg up and then do the same on the other side. Keep going, we're so close to finishing the workout. You're doing great guys! Lateral lunge high knee is next. Perform a lateral lunge on one side, and as you come up, do a few high knees, then back down and repeat. Make sure you brace your core and your back is straight. For low impact, just lift out the high knees. Rest up and we're moving on to the other side. Just 2 more exercises to go after this and we'll be done. Ten seconds rest now, catch your breath again, hopping high knee is next. This is a variation to high knee with a little hop in between. For low impact, just do a slow high knee. Keep going. Last rest for this workout, almost there guys, squats are next. Squat down low and do it slow and controlled. Remember to brace your core and let's finish this. And that's the workout, guys. I hope you enjoyed this new summer stretch challenge schedule. Make sure you smash that like button for me, drop me a comment down below on how you went, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!